Hey you guys, your activity today is to try and change your 4-person mug cake into a mug cake for 1 person. So that means you're going to have 1/4 of the recipe that you did before. So our first thing is looking at 16 tablespoons of self-raising flour, and I've drawn 16 dots here. You can see I tried to draw some other dots and then I've tried to cover it up with a love heart, and that's not very subtle at all. So you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots, 2 rows. 2 times 8 is 16. So I know that 1 set of dots, that's half of 16. Now if I half that again, I'm going to end up with 4 groups exactly the same size. And you can see how many have I got in each group? I've got 4. So 1/4 of 16 is 4. So that should change to 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Obviously, we're not going to heap our tablespoons and make Miss Hine cry. Now the next one, 16 tablespoons of sugar. This has got to be delicious because it's got just as much sugar as self-raising flour. You're going to do the same thing, all right? You've got 4 of that as well. Now, when you get to 8 tablespoons of cocoa powder, what is 1/4 of 8? Now, a strategy you can use for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're looking at quarters, you can half something and half something again. You can times it on your calculator by 0.25. There's lots of different ways that you can do this. This, I think, is a really good visual here. Now, if we were to separate this into 4 equal parts, we get 2 in each. So we should end up with 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Now we've got 4 eggs is our next ingredient. Now that's a pretty easy one to separate into 4 different groups in it. Obviously we're going to end up with 1 egg in our cup. Now 12 tablespoons of milk. So if we do that same thing again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Visualize it. Okay, so we got half. And then we half that again. There's 6 on that top row, so I can put my line down there. Make sure there's the same amount in every group. So I can see that it's going to be 3 tablespoons of milk. I don't know why I haven't written the ingredients here. Living on the edge. So then we get to 12 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Okay, you know it's going to be the same again because this one was a 12. We've already found the answer is going to be 3. Now you don't have to put these 2 things in your mug cake. You can if you'd like to. If we were putting 4 drops of vanilla essence in though, and we're trying to divide it by 4, so there's 4 equal amounts, we're going to have 1 drop of vanilla essence. And the last one is chocolate chips or nuts or raisins or something like that. If we've got 8, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 tablespoons and I need to divide that equally into 4. Check you've got the same amount in each group. Okay, my answer must be 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips or nuts or whatever. And keep the answers to those safe because there's a little quiz where you can write those answers down. Bye.